packaging box. Multimeter, temperature line, watch band, manual and accessories are complete. Battery installation display. Disassemble the back parts and put 4Ah batteries. Laser positioning. Electric ROCI inspection is more convenient. DC voltage. Automatically recognizes the voltage and operates as video. AC voltage. Automatically recognizes the voltage and operates as video. Resistance measurement. Automatically recognizes the resistor and the stylus in contact with the resistor. Buzzer measurement. A beep indicate normal, other way it is imaged. Diode measurement. Switch to the corresponding and the stylus in contact corresponding positive and negative electrodes. Capacitance measurement. Switch to the corresponding as shown in video. Short circuit discharge is required for measurement. Millivolt voltage measurement. The compressor can clear the value. Frequency measurement. The frequency of household appliances is about 50 Hz. Temperature measurement. Switch to the corresponding reduced thermocouple contact image object. MAC current measurement. Put the pin end of the corresponding current button operates video. Direct current measurement. AC battery measurement. Zero fuel recognition. A beep and flashing red light is red light, and the silent sound is zero line. Non-contact induction. A beep and red light flashes when a new RB power CI sensed.